is a Dhanuvarnam on the goddess Chamundeshwari, the family deity of the Vodiyars. And the choreography has been done by my Guru Lalita Srinivasiji.
मातंग वदन गुग माते मलय ध्वज पाड्य संजाते मातंग वदन गुग माते मलय ध्वज पाड्य संजाते शंकरी चतुर दान विविध मद समय समरस दान सुलभ हृदय मधुर वचन दान सरस रुचिरतर स्वरलय गीत सुखद निज भावरसिक वरदान महिषूरनाथ नामणि श्री कृष्ण राजेंद्र रताय सदा ओरे माई जगदीश मनोहर सदय
Stayed for so long to watch our presentation. I cannot express my happiness in words for this day, and for all the friends who have come, all my dear ones, whoever have come and stayed for so long. I now request Madam to say a few words about what we presented.
Namaskaram. At the outset, I would like to tell you that I've come home. I started my career on this stage. I'm very, very closely related to the Munshis. And I was a young kid and loved dancing, was learning classical dancing and that also Kathakali. And as Mr. Munshi, we used to call him Bapaji. And he convinced my grandmother and my people that I was extremely talented and they should allow me to dance. They had some great ideas of making me a doctor. I was a brilliant student and I always scored the highest marks. Later on, I became a lawyer, but I have never broken my relationship with Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan. I belong here. I grew up on this stage. I took my little steps on this stage, so I was full of nostalgia today. This is home for me. So when they invited me to come here as a chief guest, I very readily agreed. I usually don't go. I don't go as chief guest anywhere because it becomes very, and I live in Juhu, so it's pretty far away. But I was very happy to come here I wish there were more people to see this particular Bani, but I think people are damn scared. They thought that there were going to be riots. There was a big rumor going on where I live that don't go out of the home because there are going to be riots. I don't know why. Anyway, I wish there was some more audience here to cheer these girls and cheer the distinguished teacher and everybody else. This is a home for classical arts. Bharati Vidya Bhavan has always supported classical arts and encouraged us. And it was in Mumbai that it is Bharati Vidya Bhavan who imported top classical Bharatanatyam artists, and we had the privilege of seeing them here, and some of them learnt under them. This is a very good place to perform, and I'm very happy that you have come here. Once again, I say that I wish there were more people to watch you dance. I was watching the whole performance very keenly, and I could discern lots of differences between the different Banis. I do know a lot about Bharatanatyam, and I was just wondering how did this particular style of performance evolve. But it's very interesting because I have seen so many different presentations and different approaches to choreography, and the only very humble suggestion, please do not be offended, don't dance at such a fast pace. But Natyam is not to be, no classical Indian dance can be danced at this pace, because then it doesn't give you any chance to pick up the sthayi bhava. You were just galloping. I mean, your performance would have shown like anything if you had just slowed slowed it down. But I just could not say. I mean, all these musicians, I know them very well because most of them have played for us at some time or the other. But even then, I would say that you can lessen the speed, because you see the children are well trained. I could see the girls are well trained, but to keep pace with that footwork, a lot of the body work was gone. And they are talented. They are very talented. I congratulate you and their parents and everybody that they can dance so well. I bless all of you, and the only thing is my little request is that you just lower the speed, and you can see how they bloom and how they look beautiful on the stage. You are a very good teacher. My compliments to you, and I hope that in future also, you continue to bring your troupe here. This is home to you, I suppose, and give some more performances with more audience. I'm so sorry. I think I being a Mumbaikar, I must apologize to you for the stupidity that they have not come. But really, I mean, in the afternoon when I was starting, about 4 or 5 of my students rang up and said, "Ma'am, don't go there. You know there are going to be riots." I don't know whether riots are anyway. Whatever it is, now I have to go back to Juhu. But anyway, my congratulations to you. Please bless all the children on my behalf and continue your good work. Thank you very much.
Just have 2 more numbers. From the portals of the Kannada theatre, there is a Rangagite in Kannada, of course, describing the dance of Lord Shiva, and that is in Raga, Latangi and Aditalam. So this was maybe my guru's way of introducing and more of Kannada Sahitya into Bharatanatyam, and also innovating on many different fronts. So I'll present that, and then we finish with the Tillana in Mand, which is my choreography. So please stay till that. and enjoy yourself.
ಕಂಡೇನ நடராஜன கருணாகர ಶಿವನ ಕಂಡೇನ நடராஜன கருணாகர ಶಿವನ ಕಂಡೇನ நடராஜன கருணாகர ಶಿವನ ಕಂಡೇನ நடராஜன கருணாகர ಶಿವನ ಶಿವನ ಪನ್ನಗಲರಣ ಕಂಡೇನು ಮುರವನುಗಲಿದವನ 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 ಶಿವನ ಪನ್ನಗಲರಣ ಕಂಡೇನ நடராஜನ கருணாகர ಶಿವನ ಕಂಡೇನ நடராஜನ ಕಂಡೋಪಗಂಡ ಶರಣಾಳಿ ಸಮೇತನ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಂಡಗಳುடைய ಶಿವತಾಂಡವ ನಾಟ್ಯವ ನಾಡಿ ಬೆಳೆದವ ಕಂಡೋಪಗಂಡ ಶರಣಾಳಿ ಸಮೇತನ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಂಡಗಳುடைய ಶಿವತಾಂಡವ ನಾಟ್ಯವ ನಾಡಿ ಬೆಳೆದವ
Sit,
தனதீந்த தீந்த திரண தனதீந்த தீந்த திரண தானம் நதி தானம் நதி தனதீந்த தீந்த திரண தானம் நதி தானம் நதி தனதீந்த தீந்த திரண என்னை காத்தருள் ஏகாமேஸ்வரி உன்னை சரண் அடைந்தேன் ஓங்காரி கௌரி என்னை காத்தருள் ஏகாமேஸ்வரி அன்னை நீயன்றோ சகல உயிர்க்கும் அன்னை நீயன்றோ அருள் காட்சி காமாட்சி நின்னை நிகர் தெய்வம் என் உலகிலோ உன்னை சரண் அடைந்தேன் ஓங்காரி கௌரி என்னை ஏகாமேஸ்வரி அன்னை நீயன்றோ சகல உயிர்க்கும் அன்னை நீயன்றோ அருள் காட்சி காமாட்சி நின்னை நிகர் தெய்வம் என் உலகிலோ தகதி தஜம் தஜனுதரி ததோ தஜம் தடம் ததாம் தகதி தஜம் தஜனுதரி ததோ தஜம் தடம் ததமதன நிதபகபரி நிதபரி கரித
We end with a Mangala Shloka, as how we do in our mother institution.
राष्ट्रं प्रवर्धतां चैव रम्यस्य समृद्ध्यतु प्रेक्षान् कर्तुं महान् धर्मो भवतु ब्रह्मभावितः कर्तुं यश्चास्तु धर्मस्यापि प्रवर्ततु इच्छया आचार्यया नित्यो प्रयन्तं देवतामिनी नित्यं प्रयन्तां देवतामिनी
My duty if I don't introduce my wonderful set of musicians. They are all known to you. We had Shri N. Shiva Prasad on the vocal. We had K.N. Venkateshwaran on the mridanga. We had Shri Satish Sheshadri on the violin. And Shri Kumar Krishnan on the flute. More importantly, the introduction is because that though we are now located at Nagpur, which is, I would say, was not a very much happening place even around 15 years back. So these people used to come every time we called them without thinking about whatever difficulties it might be. It was not a very happening place also. Only thing I could do was to see that they were very comfortable, and we couldn't even offer them a very huge honorarium. It was a small place with small budget programs, but they were always extremely nice and cooperative, and they had a regard for what I was trying to do from their side, and they kept it up till today. So that the reason was that I wanted all these people to be here with me today when we presented under the Bhavan's banner. Previously I had my own private institution, now I have merged it with Bharati Vidya Bhavan. So on behalf of Bhavans, we would like to offer them a small memento in remembrance of our togetherness in our pursuit of art. That is one. Where are the moments? to introduce my little set of students who are trying very hard. All these children are Maharashtrian children. None of them are, none except one. They are not South Indians at all, but they all have learned Carnatic music and dancing as what you saw. They are trying their best to learn and give the best to it. And they are all well versed in Carnatic music, Sanskrit, theory, and let me introduce them one by one. We have Srimati Bakul Saude. She's a married person with 2 children, mother of 2 children, but extremely passionate about dance. So, and she has done her masters in fine dance in Bharatanatyam from the Nagpur University under my guidance. And we have Atul Shebe. He's another person who I thought would never learn how to dance properly. He has an element of drama in him. He's very much attached to the drama field in the Marathi theatre, that is. He writes well, very well, and he acts well. But he wanted to learn dance. I said, so try your luck, let's see what I can do for you. And here he is. He is a good singer too. He has a good flair for music. And both Bakul and Atul are assistant teaching faculty at Kalasrijan under me. So they are part of the Bhavan's Kalasrijan family also. Then we have Reva Jain. All these children have completed 10 years of training under me, and now they have started teaching little children, very, very small ones, the first years. And they are in despair. How did you ever have the patience to teach all of us and bring us to this level? So teaching is another part which we train them in so that it may help them in future. Then we have our Prachi Gosavi. She is a CCRT scholarship holder, and her scholarship has been renewed also. And I think you saw her trying out a little of Natwangam also. And very interested, and I'm very happy that these days Nagpur parents have come a full circle regarding as to what they want to encourage the children in and with. Then we have Madhura Hamdapre. She has also done her Arangetram under me like Reva Jain, and they are in the 7th year of dancing in Kalasrijan syllabus according to that. And we have Shri Ranjini Iyer. She is totally belongs to the Bhavan's family. She had her schooling in Bhavan's school. Her mother is Srimati Parvati Iyer. She is the principal of the Trimurti Nagar branch of BP Vidya Mandir in Nagpur. So I'm behind, and 2 more people who have always been with us was one is Mr. Krishnamurthy. Sir, please come, please Vango, please do. He has always come in and sung for 3 Arangetrams. A very, very helpful person, a musical genius, I would say. And I don't know if it is my blessings, if it is a kind of blessings or God's blessings. I'm always surrounded with very nice people, always doing their best. They can, sir, please Vango, please. No, Vango, please, one moment. I'm very happy that he could make it today. He had told me I will come. I think he's a very well-known person in the South Indian music circles. I don't have to introduce him, but still.
What I admire about Srimati ji is she has taken the culture of South India and established in Nagpur, and that is a great honor for all the cultural people in Nagpur. I really salute her for this efforts in her life, and today Bharatanatyam is known in these parts of Maharashtra. It's only because of her. So we as artists, we go to so many places in India and abroad, but when we see a place, something like a desert where there is no water, here is a person, is a guru who's grooming people and teaching them the South Indian art and making them equal to all the dancers in Chennai. So thanks to you.
Thank you, sir.
And I admirably, definitely, my friends who are in the wings have done a great job. Having gone there even today also, I thank you everyone.
Another person who has been coming very often is Mr. Shanmuga Sundaram. I don't think he has come today, but anyway. And and first, the vote of thanks, let me do it myself because my heart is swarming with thanks and a very beautiful feeling. I'm very happy that first thing is the first round of thanks has to go to Shri Banwarilalji Purohit for having started this cultural wing under Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, who is now the governor of Tamil Nadu. And he gave me a free hand to chalk out things. I told him, sir, ye school jaisa nahi rahega, so please allow me to give me a little freedom and I would like to work. So we have structured courses only for classical subjects, like we have Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Hindustani vocal, Carnatic vocal, Satar and Tabla, and we have these diploma certificate courses running under the Bhavans because they are entitled to give their own certificates. And the only thing I have done is I have gathered all the people working in Vidarbha, seriously, the Vidarbha region where there is no art movement at all, to come in as the main faculties and put their energies together so that good art prevails. Because good art is a joy for anyone, both the doer and the seer. So this is something which I have always clung on to because I cannot move away from the beauty of our music, neither the beauty of our dance and the portrayals of so many things. The technique also enamors me when there is a good dancer. I really appreciate and enjoy myself as I'm watching a good movie, you know. So I'm not able to get away from that. So I said, okay, let me do my work in this. This is how it started. And the second round of thanks goes to Shri H.N. Dasturji, the executive secretary for Bhavans here in Mumbai, for having hosted this performance this evening, because when we told him, sir, there are children who have passed out and they have had 8 to 10 years of training, I think we should give them a stage. So he readily agreed, and here we were presenting in front of you. And we were really fortunate because, as she already said, Kanak Rele madam came in because it was Bhavans Association, and she sat through, was another big blessing. And that was the third one. And I thank all the people, right? We were sitting in Nagpur and we had a lot of people working for us here and putting things together and making it a success from our side. I will never stop thanking my accompanying artists who are my family, and I wholeheartedly thank all of you who have come here and stayed with us till the end. We have enjoyed dancing. I hope you enjoyed it too. Thank you so much.
Tajam